Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here on behalf of Rosie's Studio as part of their Creative Club design team. For those who don't know Rosie's Studio, it's an online store that sells scrapbooking supplies, so you'll find paper collections, a few digitals, stamps and dies. So have a look. It's a lot of cute stuff there, ephemeras and all that. So have a check out. I'll put that link down below for you. And also I'll link the products I'm going to share with you. So this is an unboxing of a Christmas collection called Sprinkled with Cheer. And we're going to have a look through and see what it consists of. I don't know that I got all the items, but I got a lot of them. So this is the first page. You get some little gingerbread that are dancing, snowflakes, sprinkles, Christmas trees. This is pretty. That's a gold plaid. Santa hats. These are like little snowflakes on a green background here. These are vintage ornaments. Candy canes. See, I don't want to skip a page. Stripes. Then you have floral with pine branches. Another plaid. Stripes. These are white outlined words on the pink background. Cute. Holly. This is like the green one. They're little tiny snowflakes. You can't see them that well, but they're there. Peppermint candies. These look like strings of lights, and they have gold foiling. We have a plaid and a green on green plaid, and then it repeats itself, so you get two of each. So that's the paper collection of Sprinkled with Cheer. Let's look at the sprinkles, and these are peppermints, stars, and some sprinkles in there. Really cute. There's some in, they look to be a light pink bow. I think that's what I'm seeing in there. Really cute. So I grabbed that. I got the puffy stickers. So you have your peppermint candies, your bows, and then some snowflakes down at the bottom. Super cute. This is called journal cards, and let's have a look at these. So these are really fun to have to do with all your crafting. So you get two of each. You get December 25th. This little calendar looking kind of one. Notebook paper. This is red, and it has tiny squares on it. I don't know how well they show, but it's also like this on the green. This looks like property of Santa Claus, like a library card or something to that effect. Another notebook paper on the powder blue. This is like kindergarten paper for children. Music notes. This says date with the numbers and then some squares. Let's see. Here's another like calendar page. Trying to get them both at the same time. And this says notes. So you get a whole bunch in there. I think that's a great deal. And they're also fun to add into your mini albums and junk journals and things like that. This is the die cut ephemera pack, and this one, if you saw my previous project, I used this, scanned it into your computer, then you'll have a bunch of mini ephemera. So keep that in mind when you're have your packaging. I love that they have that. But let's have a look and see what we can see in here. I'm just going to kind of flip through this pretty quickly. Some cherries, I think, or holly berries, cherries. Holly berries and a little snowman. I think you get two of everything. So there's a little gingerbread man in a cup. These little houses. You have some gold stars, some candy, some stockings, little presents. There's a polar bear there. There's some trees, little birdies. Again, the polar bear. This is a person dressed up like a tree, I suppose. This is a snow globe, really cute. Snowman, reindeer. There seems to be some peppermints in here and some old-fashioned ornaments right here. Then we look at Santa. He's so cute. This is another peppermint. These are some gold hearts right there. Poinsettia. There's a polar bear. Super cute. Another cupcake. Some gold snowflakes. Some more greenery and holly. Some trees. There's that snowman again and some stamps with Santa. Super cute. Some more holly. There's some little stars and whatnot there. Santa. Mittens. More presents. And some peppermint candies in various colors. This is good. You get so many. Candy cane. Sleigh. Some more candy canes. Look how cute this one is. Little mailbox. Kitten with an ornament. So cute. Some more gold starburst thingies. Another house. There's that other cupcake. You get some gumdrops. Some more of those gold starburst. A candle. Look how cute that is. That's cute. A candle. A banner. Poinsettia. There's another house. Some gingerbread. Some holly. More gold things. A present and some more gingerbread. And then we still have more. There's presents. Holly. More holly and flowers. It's loaded. You have a little car with a tree on top. Really cute. A rainbow, some more greenery. Look at that little gingerbread house. How cute is that? Some more flowers. Some figgy pudding. A fireplace. Some candy. There's the other pink house. There's some borders and some little hats and just a few little odds and ends left in there. So that's the entire collection that I purchased. I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that you will come back and see what I've create with these, because I will be having some projects ahead. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.